So today we're going to be making Sticla, which translated is roast chicken on a glass bottle. So for this recipe you will need 1 full chicken, salt, pepper, garlic salt, sweet Hungarian paprika and vegeta. So first of all you're going to clean the chicken, cut off all the excess skin, take off any feathers or hairs that you can find or black spots, and then we're going to season. So we're going to season the chicken. We're going to rub it all in as much as we can. And then we're going to let it sit in the fridge covered to absorb all the flavouring for about a couple of hours, 2 hours, overnight if you've got time and you're organised. That's even better. Get that seasoning in on the inside as well. There we go. So that chicken's gonna go in the fridge for a couple of hours. So while that chicken is sitting in the fridge, what we need is we're going to need a glass bottle. So one of your drinks, just empty the bottle. And clean it out thoroughly, inside and outside, cutting off this thing as well. So it's just the glass left, no stickers, no anything on it. So I'll just go do that now. Okay, so we've cleaned our bottle inside and out. You will need some water. And in the water, we're gonna add some salt. And we're gonna add some vegeta. And then we're going to put that flavouring in the bottle. Like that. Then you get the chicken that's been resting. And you put the chicken over the bottle like this so that's standing up. The tip of the bottle comes out through the top. If you can see that, the tip is right there. There it is. And then you can add some veggies to the bottom of the pan or just leave it as is. You put it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees, and as it cooks, the water in the bottle starts to come out over the chicken and keeping it moist so that you have a nice juicy roast chicken. Just put that in the oven. I'm just going to put some chicken wings on the bottom of mine, just because it might not be enough for our family, 1 whole chicken. You never know. So I always like to have a bit of extra food. If you know me, you know that I don't like anyone to go hungry. And there it is. I'm going to put this baby in the oven. So with my roast chicken today, I'm just going to do some roast vegetables. So just some red onion, sweet potato, and normal clean potatoes. I'm just going to chop them up, put them on a tray and put them in the oven also. my veggies, and in the veggies I'm going to put some olive oil. Just coat them. And just some seasoning. Some salt. Pepper. And some herbs. So I like to put in some rosemary. Some thyme. And some oregano. Mix that all through. And then we're going to pop them into a baking dish like this. Spread them out so they can cook evenly. And we'll pop them in the oven next to the chicken. There's our beautiful vegetables. We're just going to pop them into the oven like this. And there's our lovely chicken roasting away. Doesn't that look beautiful? Veggies are done. I put the veggies in half an hour after I put the chicken in. So they've only been in there for half an hour now. They're done. And the chicken is getting there. I might turn the heat up to about 200 to get that to crisp up on the skin. Look how juicy that looks. Oh, yum, yum. Just take it off the bottle like that. Pop it on a plate. This is where my red rooster skills come in handy.